Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah today we will explain some questions about implicit differentiation. Let's start with the first one. Y squared minus x squared y plus 3x cubed equals 4. Okay, at first let's get the derivative of this one. Y squared, it will be 2y dy dx. And then minus x squared y. This one we will use the product rule. You can use a product rule. And you can make it directly like this. Negative 2xy minus x squared dy dx. And then the last one, it will use the power rule. It will be 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So it will be 9x squared equal to the derivative of 4. It will be 0. Okay. And then we will collect dy dx terms, and then we will move this one to the other side. So it will be 2y minus x squared, and all of this will be dy dx multiplied by dy dx equals 2xy minus 9x squared. And the last step, you will divide both terms, both sides by 2y minus x squared. Cancel, so dy dx equal to xy minus 9x squared over dy minus x squared, which is letter A. Okay, next one. We need to do the same, but after we finish it, we will plug in 0 for x and negative 1 for y. Okay, let's do it. The derivative of x cubed, it will be 3x squared, and then the derivative of 2y squared will be 4y multiplied by dy dx, which you can write it as y dash, but let's keep the dy dx. dy dx. And then you will use the product rule to multiply x times y. Okay, the derivative of x is 1 multiplied by y plus negative. The derivative of y is dy dx multiplied by x, so it will be x dy dx equal to the derivative of 2 is 0. When I ask you to substitute with the point, it's better to substitute it right now so that you can simplify. Plug in 0 for x and negative 1 for y. So the first term will be 0. And then 4 times negative 1, negative 4 times dy dx. So it will be negative 4 dy dx. And then negative 1, it will be plus 1. And this one is 0 equal to 0. So it will be negative 1 divided by negative 4, it will be 1 by 4. This one. Okay, next question. Do the same. Okay, and this is the last question, inshallah. We need to do the implicit differentiation. All the difference between the normal differentiation and implicit differentiation. When you differentiate y, it's like you have a function here. It's like you have the chain rule. You make it the chain rule for the power rule, for example, like 2x minus 1 power 3. You use the power rule first and then get the derivative of the sum of what's the expression inside the brackets. It's the same. If you have y, it's like you have another function. So after you get the derivative of the expression that includes y, you will multiply it by dy dx. Okay, let's do it here. 3y squared. If it was 3x squared, it will be 6x. But this one is 3y squared, so it will be 6y. And don't forget to multiply with the derivative of y, dy dx. Okay, the second one is 2x. And then don't forget to use the product rule. The derivative of x is 1 multiplied by y. And then plus negative. The derivative of y is dy dx multiplied by x. So it will be x dy dx. Okay? Equal to, don't forget the derivative of constant is 0. The last step. Okay. At first you will move this one to the other side with a negative sign and collect the terms that have in dy dx. So we have 6y minus x dy dx is equal to negative 2x plus y, so I'll make it y minus 2x. Okay, y minus 2x. And then we will divide both sides by 6y minus x dy dx is equal to y minus 2x over 6y minus x. Okay, it will be letter A. And thank you. See you next time, inshallah.